computer. So who here has been using Tradovate or currently uses Tradovate? Probably everybody here is using Tradovate. I'm pretty sure if you join the webinar, you're using Tradovate. Michael does. Okay, awesome. So guys, first of all, when you have your Tradovate, let me just take this off. When you have your Tradovate platform up, what is this down here? I'm just seeing this down here. What the hell is this? I have no clue what this is. Huh. What if it's an indicator? Current grid position, chart settings, simple moving average, moving. I have no clue what this is. It's not an indicator. That's strange. Anyways, so to add your basically charts, depth of market, order ticket, all that good stuff. Well, actually, we can start a new one. Let me actually delete this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. Let's just start afresh. And this one. Okay, so basically, or you might not see this, but sometimes you get a black screen and you'll just have to basically click your workspace templates. Sometimes Tradovate, I'm not sure why, but it shows a completely black screen. You just click one of these and it'll basically pop up this pop the whole thing back up again. And this is like the default workspace, and you can add more charts down here. So for example, instead of having this here, all this stuff, you can remove it if you want. Just remove all of this. And orders, I don't care about orders. Positions, we can always see open positions. Here, first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Add Module. Then you go to Chart. And then you want to add your chart here. You can just do this. Let's say you want to add CL oil. Do that, and then you just add it right there. Let's say you want to add, why is this not? Oh, it's supposed to be right here. Because you can do it right there. Oh, what the hell happened? Okay. Wonder what happened to the other one. We had another. Just do it like that. Okay. So we go to chart. You go and add it. Why is this not working anymore? So let's just add it down there. Trying to add 4 charts in. There we go. Now we have a total of 4 charts right here. You can add CL, which is oil. We can add, I guess, MNQ, if you like to trade MNQ. You could do something like this if you like. If not, you could just have your 1 chart or your 2 charts in here. Oh. There we go. You can see how we have ES. We have, what is this? 10-year trade node. I don't even know what this is. We have CL and we have MNQ. So this is, basically a way to add charts to your screen. And you could, if you want to create a new layout, you could just reset it. I mean, sorry, if you want to go back to the same layout that you had, you can just reset it. And you can add a new template as well. Let's just call it, I don't know, whatever, just AAA. Set default workspace. And I haven't made a new layout in quite a long time. I don't even know how to remember how to make a new one. Well, I guess we're gonna have to start from scratch and just delete things. I'm just gonna show you guys what I like using. So much stuff to delete. I can just press this here. Basically, what I like having here is, and since I use this on my MacBook, I really can't fit that many charts. What I'm showing you right now is on my what's it called? My monitor. It's 32-inch monitor, so it fits a lot of charts. But usually on my laptop, this is how I have it set up. Have a chart and my depth market. And then add ES and ES over here. Okay, so this is what I like having on my basically Tradovate platform. I just like having my chart and my depth of market. Then what I like doing is, you see this little tab here, you just add, for example, you like trading M and Q, you add M and Q. You like trading NQ, and we're gonna add NQ. What else? Let's say M. Well, actually, let's move this one around. That. Well, let's add MES. And I'm gonna show you guys why I like having it like this. And why I don't like having two charts. Let's see, I have ES, let's add NQ. Let's add MNQ. And let's add MES. So basically, and I know a lot of you guys have seen me use basically multiple tickers to trade on either ES or NQ. And let me fix something really quick. So do you guys see how the chart keeps basically adjusting to the price whenever you scroll like up or down? Can you guys see that? To deactivate that, you go to over here to configure chart elements. No, chart settings, I'm sorry. And where is this? Out of fit chart. A continuous out of fit. You turn it off and then it'll stop doing that. I just like, scrolling freely on my chart. I don't like it, going back to where the platform wants it to go. So you just go here, chart settings, and you go to continuous auto fit and you click on, off. I'm not sure what this does. I never used it, but I usually have it off. And this will show your current position, so your entry. And I wish I would have done this during when the market was open. Basically, when you place an order, this will show where you entered, your current position, where you got filled, either for a buy or sell of the contract, or you can just, click show all. Highest levels, you can select, of course, to show the high and the low. Give me 1 second. Low price. And where's the open price here? So you can have it show you that. This is the time frame, basically. So like time frames here, you can add, your custom time frames on this little tab. I usually like the 5-15 minute. But you can see how the high and low lines are shown per session. So if you go like further back, it won't show you the high and low for other sessions, only for current session. And this blue line is the opening price. Let's see, candlesticks. You have all your candlesticks and lines and whatever stuff here. If you like to use basically order flow, you could use bid ask volume, but for this you would have to pay for level 2 data. I'm not sure how much it costs here on Top Step, but on the live account Tradovate, you have to pay $16 for this, and you'll get all the good stuff over here. I'm not sure if you guys have seen that. And you can also use the indicator that shows liquidity. And for the indicators, you have this one here. Sometimes you won't find some indicators, but if you go to this little search bar and you go, let's say, buy, sell, just click on that. And if nothing pops up, you go to explore community indicators. And here you'll find a bunch of indicators. You type whatever you're looking for. Just say VWAP. We have a bunch of indicators pop up here. Let's see, we can find what if TTM squeezes here? TTM. I don't see any TTM squeeze. We have one right here. This is actually like a layout, I think. But anyways, once you find the indicator that you're looking for, you have to click install. And you just wait for this little message to pop up. Just press OK, and you just go to your indicators to find that basically downloaded indicator. But I'm not sure where it's going to be. Oh, there it is. It's right here. So you guys can see how the indicator has to be basically downloaded, so it could be added here. What else? What else do I need to show you guys? Oh, and you have of course, your drawing tools right here. What I don't like about this is that you have to click once. Well, you click once, you use it. Oh, why is it not working? This is strange. Not sure why it's not letting me draw. Log drawings, remove all drawings. I'm not sure why it's not letting me draw. That's strange. Let's see on ES. Oh, nope. Not sure why. Never happened before. Oh, and you have your indicators tab here. Once you have your indicators, if you want to remove indicators, you go to this little gear box right here. You can see how we have some indicators here. You can just click on the trash bin button or tab, and you remove all the indicators. I mostly use volume profiles. and price action. Really, I don't really use much indicators. I've only been using mostly volume profiles and um, and price action. Continues auto fit off. But I am going to do that mastermind level volume profiles class. I just haven't had time to pick all the people. I'm actually gonna make it for 10 people only. So well, actually we have 11 people right here. I might actually do it for you guys only. Andre, Vernie, Eddie, Carla. I remember Carla. Nathan, Steve. I might do the class for you guys, and I'm gonna add probably a few more people to it. Um, you guys should totally send me a DM and just type in like a mastermind or whatever, and that way I'll know you guys. And I just have like a few more people that I want to add, but I want to keep it small so that I can focus on really teaching you guys this. So, after the class is done, send me a DM that just says, I don't know, like add me to mastermind or add me to bowling profiles class. Yeah, no problem, Aaron. Yeah, on Discord. Just send me a DM on Discord, you know. Um, and I'll have you guys participate on that class as well. What else was I going to show you guys? Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, over here. Reports, guys. This over here. Well, I haven't traded on this one, but when you go to this reports tab over here, you see these little three lines over here. Just click on that and you go and you'll see, your winning versus losing trades. You see a bunch of data right here. And this is going to be, perfect for you to journal your trades. You can select the date, for which you want to view the winning versus losing trades. You can do a custom range, custom day last year. You can select all of that here. You can view your orders. You can, view today's orders, this week's orders, whatever, all, for journaling purposes. Position history, cash history, order details. Never use this. Your fills, your account balance history. But you can use this to see how well you're doing for the week, for the month, whatever. But this is really helpful when you're journaling your trades. Oh man. Yeah, for those of you that like Apex, Apex has a discount. They give you 90% discount on the what's it called? The evals. So, if you like Apex, you can definitely. Where do you find a download? So the download, and that's a problem with this Bumblebee, that once you download an indicator, like you have to look for it, because sometimes, let's say, let's see, volume, explore community indicators. Let's say I want to download what's right here, Tiki Squeeze. Let's install this one and just wait for the notification to pop up. There it is. And you go over here, indicators, and you type Tiki. I don't think it'll, no, there it is. It does show up. you can see how the downloaded indicator is right here. So you download it, and hey, Jay, bro, good to see you, brother. And you haven't missed much, man. Don't worry. So you download the indicator, and once you download it, you go to this indicator tab, type the indicator name, and just click on the indicator. And before it basically set up on the chart, it gives you the option to, customize the indicator however you like. You click save, and then you have it right there. So it's called Tiki Squeeze on Tradovate, not TTM Squeeze. And where's Andre? I know Andre's still here, right? That's awesome, man. Well, now you know. I'm glad this class is being helpful, even if it's a little bit. Andre, whoa, now it's drawing. That's so strange. It wasn't drawing earlier. Yeah. No, I don't even know how to delete drawings. There's no eraser. I guess I'll just remove all drawings. Anyways, for orders, why is it not? Oh, okay. Now I see why. So once you have this set up, your chart and your depth of market, you're gonna have to go to view settings, and you have to select trade mode. If you don't select trade mode, it won't let you trade from the chart. You can see how it's not letting me add orders. You go here, you select trade mode, and you'll find this here. And now look at this. Now you can place orders from the chart. And the orders that you place here on the chart will all be limit. So you can see how you have trading, you connect your Tradovate to trading. Oh yeah, you can definitely connect your Tradovate and TradingView accounts. Oh, so you double click on the drawing to delete them. Okay, I did not know that. Since I don't chart on this one, I don't really use drawings, but now I know. So you basically just click, what you want to buy or sell. But it won't let me do it right now since the market is closed. What time does it open? 20 minutes from now. So you select if you want to buy or sell. If you are planning to catch a bounce, of course, you're gonna, set a buy limit. And if you're trying to catch a breakout to the downside, you're gonna put a sell limit. In this case, it's gonna be called a self stop. And same way over here, if you're trying to catch a rejection, you buy basically sell limit. And if you're trying to catch a breakout to the upside, you buy a buy limit. Yes, correct. And Andre, when you are trying to close a position, let's say you bought, right here. Let's say you went long. So here, Andre, you have to understand that going long is basically betting on the upside, and going short, of course, it's betting on going to the downside. Hey Ron, what's up? Yeah, most of the traders here have Apex. Some have Top Step. I have all. Well, I have both, and I'm also using a cash account. So yeah, so it's very important to understand that going long is basically betting on the upside, and going short, that's pretty self-explanatory that you're betting on price moving to the downside. And if you want to, basically rush quickly into the trade, Andre, you just buy market, sell market, or you can join the bid or join the ask. Join the bid is still, going long. Join the ask is still going short. but it won't give you a market fill. It'll give you a fill, or try to give you a fill at the bid. Is there a way to put a stop loss or take profit on an order placed without any? Yeah, there is a way. I just wish the market was open right now. So let's say, let's say we entered a trade right here, right where price is, right on this line. Let's say you entered here. So to set a take profit, let's say you want to take profit at these highs right here. Let's say you want to take profit right here. So what you would do is, this would be your entry. Let's say you bought market. It's so complicated without the market trading right now. So annoying. I wish I didn't fall asleep. So you let's say you entered here by market. Once you enter your trade, you go to where you want to set your take profit, and you will be basically setting a sell limit right here. This will be your take profit. And let's say your stop loss is, just under this candle. So here you would sell stop right there. So you would set your stop loss right here by setting a sell stop on a long position. Sell stop. You would put your take profit here by putting sell limit. No, I have not used TradeStation, Manuel. I was actually looking into using Jigsaw actually, but I haven't really switched over. Let's see, as far as platform, have you TradeStation? I think Tradovate and TradeStation are pretty similar. TradeStation might have a few more bells and whistles. Oh yeah, Andre. So let's say, same case, Andre, same thing. Let's say, we were trying to short the market. So let's say right here you would go sell market.
Order rejected.
Holy crap.
Order rejected. Order rejected.
Well, that wasn't working earlier. It just started working out of nowhere. I don't think it's going to keep making noise. So yeah, that's one of the things about Tradovate. Don't get scared when that happens.
Order rejected.
Yeah, so Tradovate will reject your order if you have, a blown account, like Bernie said, or if there's no trading going on. Yes, Jay, bro, the market is closed. But Andre, so basically you were going short. Let's say we same scenario here. We went short here instead of long. And let's say your price target was like down here. So and you're stop. What the hell happened? Well, this is strange. Was it my connection? Did I lose you guys? My screen went black, completely black for like a few seconds. That's weird. Huh. I see. I guess Tradovate is resetting. Um, let's see. Yeah, we might have time. Yeah, definitely. I'm in no rush today, so um, but I was explaining. So let's say we went short right here with a market order.
Order rejected.
Once you place your order, and let's say you get filled, on a short position, your stop loss will be that's a bit line. Your stop loss would be what happened? No, it's not letting me. What's going on? Does this happen before market open, Bumblebee? Oh, this is so annoying. It's not even letting me. I guess I could. Let's see. I guess for us to wait, I could show you guys why I had basically bullish bias at the open. Then I had bearish bias after part of the sell-off started happening. If I could, your screen sharing has been paused. New share. There we go. Can you guys see my screen? Awesome. So I'm just gonna show you guys why my bias changed on ES after we opened. And this is why it's very important to change your bias as price develops. Okay, so actually we actually got stopped out on this. Should have waited a little bit longer. But let's see. Let's see. I entered long. I actually sent an alert for this long position. I entered somewhere around here. And well, I got stopped out at 45.11. Just a few dollars. And that really pissed me off. But it was still, considering that we had data. How big is your monitor? It's a 32-inch. Bernie's 32-inch monitor. So considering how, we had data, I had to keep a really, really tight stop. No, Andre, this is trading view. We're gonna go back to Tradovate once the futures market opens again. It'll open in 8 minutes. But I entered my long position here, and my stop was just right here. So basically, respecting this price action right here. Let me make this a little bit larger. Okay. So I entered long and actually turned off electronic trading hours. I was using regular trading hours. But I got stopped out over here. But one of the reasons I was long was because we were breaking out of this structure right here. So you guys can see how we had this little structure going on down here. Let me change the color of that. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Let's go back. Oh. Let's just use green, I guess. Delete these lines here. Delete this red here. Well, so basically we had this little structure going on. That's awesome, J bro. What is that volume profile indicator? It's called session volume profiles. No, I'm sorry, periodic volume profiles. Where is it? It's right here. Periodic volume profiles. So we had a structure that formed right here and was also breaking outside of the previous volume profiles, which was this here, this volume profile here, and this high basically. So I got stopped out and had to re-enter back over here. I wish I would have caught this whole move from where we entered. That would have been a massive move without any major pullbacks. $33 move would have been fantastic. But I only caught it up here again at 45.20. So on this breakout, I got stopped over here, re-entered over here, based on this breakout over here. And what else was happening? Let's take a look at NQ. Give me 1 second. See, you see NQ is doing the exact same thing. Let me look at NQ right here. When ES was breaking out, NQ was breaking out from this volume profile over here. And I was just targeting, this intraday level that I have marked here, 45.41. And that happens to line up with NQ over here, close to value area high on a previous profile. It was pretty damn close over here, just a few points away. But once ES touched this one, I got completely out, and then I just waited. I could have gone short just because we hit resistance, but considering that we had data and the momentum was really strong to the upside, I didn't want to risk on entering a short position here. But once we came down here, this is when I started looking for short positions. And let me show you what happened here. So basically, what happened here is, do you guys remember? I'm not sure if you guys remember or not, but I've been telling you guys that if we break out outside of a previous profile and come back inside, there's a high possibility that we go test the previous session lows. This is exactly what happened over here. We broke outside the volume profile, this one, broke outside, came back inside, broke in, came back, retested, and then a massive flush. Look at what happened with NQ over here as well. It broke outside the previous profile, up, down, broke inside here, boom, came back up, basically retested this whole area right here. It had a massive flush. Look at what happened with Apple and Microsoft as well. So look at what happened with Apple and Microsoft as well. Apple was holding support right here. Another reason to not short the market at the open, because Apple was holding support over here while breaking out of previous profile. Had a nice move up, rejected. My bias changed right here. Right here, my bias changed. I was expecting Apple to test previous session lows. Look at where we bounced on Apple. 321. Oh, I'm sorry, Microsoft. Yeah, but I was expecting Microsoft to retest previous session lows. And look at what happened to Apple as well. Apple was holding this previous value area high pretty well here. Massive move up. then massive sell-off. And again, my bias changed right here when we broke this value area high again. Broke inside, came back, retest, and just a massive, massive flush in the market again. Do you guys see that? Yes, it's ES, SPY, and QQQQ basically. But do you guys see why my bias changed in the morning and then it changed later on? And whenever you see something like this happens, there's usually like crazy, crazy volatility, you know? I kept telling you guys to watch Apple at 179.5, which was this level right here. And Microsoft here around 125 point, I think it's at 125.5, I believe. Or somewhere around there. You can see how after breaking both of those levels, the market's starting having some pretty crazy moves to the downside. I mean, this move itself was pretty crazy. This should be NQ. You can see how, basically the same thing happened on all four charts. Yeah, NQ is equivalent to QQQ. But does this explain why I was bullish at open and bearish after, that first massive sell-off, and I wasn't looking to buy a bounce on the market? So that's the reason why I wasn't looking to buy any bounces. Yes, we had some pretty good bounces, but they were not significant enough to change market direction. Momentum still remains strong to the downside. I mean, we had a pretty good bounce, like a 20-point bounce, moved a little bit higher, but gave it back in just 25 minutes. This took like 2 hours to, happen. And this only took 25 minutes to sell off. Let's see. So let's go back to the Tradovate now. Let's see. Which one is it? Let me find the Safari Tradovate. Here it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, so now I can place orders. Why is my order not showing up? Let's see. Chart settings, current position, fills, show orders, show order lines. There we go. And I guess I could have clicked show all. So guys, yeah, that drop hurt me. Yeah, we need to be careful, J bro. So let's get this order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so I am long there. And remember, guys, this is a practice account on Top Step. So I am long there. And oh, you said double click. Oh, okay. Awesome. Okay, so I am long on this right here. Now let me show you what else I like doing. Once I am in positions, I like to go to this depth market, view settings. I like for it to show me the bid and ask, show pulling and well, this won't show pulling and stacking because I don't have level 2 data on this. I have it on my live account. You can go to settings, and I like to have this show up, the profit and loss ticks, and then show estimate profit and loss. Since we have to be very careful with trail downs on eval accounts, we need to have this show up because it's in Apex accounts, in Top Steps accounts, it's really about the dollar. How many dollars are you risking to make how much? So, and it'll show all of this right here. Is the DOM def market kind of like level 2 data on stock option? Yes, and Michael, it's the same thing, but you need level 2 data here to view like the rest of the information, and I think that costs like $40 here. You go over here to this little gear settings. Well, this won't be very helpful without the level 2, but I like to have the histogram, and then I go to settings, and I click show bid ask histogram. I like to have my profit and loss in ticks and show estimated profit and loss. It just helps me, keep track of numbers and have appropriate risk reward. No, don't worry, Andre. This is purely practice. I'm not saying we should go long here. This is purely educational information. I'm just trying to show you how this works. Okay, awesome. So I'll be setting my sell stop right there, which is my stop loss. And this is why I like having this over here. So you can have this over here. You can move your stop loss right here. Or you could just move it right here if you want. So let's just set it right there. And let's say I want to set my take profit right there. That will be a sell limit as well. And you can see it over here. You can see how much profit you will take if you get, your order fill right there. You can move it a little bit lower. You can move it lower, Also, another thing that you can do is, I'm gonna show you guys this.
Order filled.
If you like scalping 2 or 3 points, you can also use this. This is called a bracket order. So what this does is
Order filled.
a bracket order does a buy or sell order, then it does a stop loss order and a take profit order all at the same time. And you can turn it off right here. And once you have your order sent, you can adjust this right here. Or if you want to adjust it over here, you can just do it over here. Oh, this is the 5-minute time frame. You should have those settings, Jay, bro. You just go to a little gear icon, and then you go to the settings right here, and it'll, pop up DOM settings. And okay, now I'm gonna show you guys why I like having this here. Sometimes I like looking at NQ to see what it's doing, but you guys see how this won't change to NQ? I should like to keep it like that so that I'm keeping track of my, position. I'll be like watching an NQ. Okay, what is NQ doing? Or maybe I want to trade some NQ as well. Maybe I'll buy some NQ
Order
as well.
filled.
Now I'm keeping track of both positions like that. Oh. It's not showing. Let's see, chart settings. Fill orders, show all. There it is. Oh, and make sure you have this on over here. You know, have show all so so that you can see your orders on the chart. I mean, it could be a join bid, join buy market. It really doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you how to basically buy and sell and stuff like that. But let's say if you join the bid,
Order filled.
let me show you what's going to happen. Okay, so you see how over here we have the price. If I join bid, look, it says a limit order and waits until the bid is filled. And it's not gonna fill until the bid price hits, you know, that price basically. So you can see how it hasn't filled because it hasn't been a
Order filled.
pulling and stacking is basically you can see when the orders on the depth of market are removed or added. It'll show you like plus or minus signs, I think. I haven't used that in quite some time, but you can see how orders are either added or removed from certain levels. And of course, you know, if you want to exit all positions, you go to exit market and cancel. That'll
Order filled.
exit everything and cancel all positions. And make sure you always do this on all your charts. Click on this gray button before you close your platform. Sometimes you'll leave orders behind and that'll get you. Yes, clicking this button will close all positions and orders for this ticker. And if you're in profits, it'll sell at market or buy at market. And you know, you can see how we made $24 over here. So it'll take your profits. And then you go to reports. Now we have some data over here. You guys see that? It shows you the trades, the loss per trade, trade fees and commissions, profit loss cumulative history, and this all without fees. Profit loss distribution, profit loss per time of day, profit loss history for the day, winning versus losing, you know, has everything right here. On group accounts, it's basically the same thing. You have to link your accounts and you have to place the orders in twos. So let's say, you know, once you link your account, if you set this order here, one limit, it won't fill. I do not.
Order filled.
I'm not sure how to do that, Bumblebee. I've never done it before. So once you have your accounts, your group accounts linked, you have to basically set orders in multiples of two, basically. Otherwise, they won't go
Order
through
filled.
because one order will fill for one account, and then one contract will fill for one account, and then another contract for another account. If you have three accounts linked up, you'll have to do orders of three. if you have 4 accounts linked up, you'll have to do orders of 4. And I don't have any linked accounts, but basically what will happen is here, let me show you.
Order filled.
So here it will show you the profit or loss for all the accounts. So the total profit and loss is $1,000 right here. That means you're either up or down $250 per account. Yes, correct, Andre. When you click sell limit, it won't fill.
Order rejected.
Oh, let me close.
Order filled.
So when you click sell limit, it won't fill until price hits that level. You can, move it around depending on what you want. You can move it like right there. It might fill here in a bit, I'm not sure. Or like, let's say you want to, buy limit. Let's move it right there. It hasn't filled because the bid hasn't touched this this price yet. This is the bid right here. And this is our order right here. Once the bid crosses here, it'll down here, it'll fill. Well, I mean, if the trade goes your way, yeah, definitely it'll give you profits. If not, then it'll go against you. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, just be careful when trading group. Those group trade count things. When you're, having those, when you have that linked up, like I said,
Filled.
your cumulative 4 accounts, 3 accounts, 2 accounts, whatever accounts, how many accounts you have, will show a cumulative profit loss over here. And over here, it can show you the profit loss per contract. It really depends, Andre. You will have to find that on your own for your own trading style. If I want to have a precise entry at a certain level, I just like leaving my order somewhere around there. Let's say, for example, just waiting for price to fill. If I want to get in because I'm thinking there's going to be a quick move, whatever, then I'll buy the market or sell the market. But usually I don't do join bid, join ask. I don't do that. I just do limit orders. So let's say I want to enter right here. I set a limit order and wait for it to fill. Or if I want to enter over here.
Order rejected.
Oh. Or if I want to enter over here, I just leave my order there waiting to get filled. Oh yeah, no, don't worry. But you'll have to find your own style, basically. That's why I recommend that, we start paper trading. Let's see. What else? What else? Okay, for evals, this is where you see for Apex. Apex has a how do you call it? Basically a trail down stop loss that keeps following you as price moves. So let's say,
Order
Let's
filled.
say you're in this position and let's say your contract goes all the way up here. So let's say you make 850 in profits. And let's say you do this. Why is this not drawing? Bumblebee, do you know why this is not drawing? Oh, there it is. God damn it. Okay, need to delete this one. Let's see. So let's say, your position does this. Oh. How do I get rid of this? God damn it. Oh, there it is. Cover how place and move stops take profit once you're in the trade. Do you cover how to place and move stop take profit once? Oh yeah, I'll go over that in the pitch, bro. No, I never look at the 1 minute chart. Yes, yes, and this is where you select the amount of contracts that you want to trade. You can go to 1, 5. Depends on how many contracts the trading platform allows. But for those of you new to Apex, let's say price does this, and let's say you're in this position long. Let's say it goes up to $850, and if it comes down to break even, you basically accumulated a loss of $850. So that's the trail down basically working against you. And let's say, if it goes down here to break even, it's back to a 150 loss. If it goes to here, let me just use this. And let's say you go to here, you still have a $400 loss because your max profit was 850 and you lost $400 out of those 850. So you have a trail down of $400. Yes, correct. The trailing threshold will work against you at all times. And you have 3 or 4 contracts and you get a nice pop your way and you get some nice profits. I usually like when I was trading on Apex evaluation accounts, what I did was I would trim most contracts on the pop and just leave one runner. But have a tight stop on that runner so it wouldn't eat up all the profits. And that's where using bracket orders really helps you. Any other questions? Oh yeah, and let's say we're in this position right now. This is our sell stop. Let's say price moves from here all the way to like over here. So let's say price moved to a total profit of $1,150. So this is how you just trail your position basically. As price moves higher, you can follow your position with over here or over here. I think if I go beyond the actual price, it'll sell everything. Or it won't let me set the order right here. See? Because top step only allows a maximum of 5 contracts. It won't let me move the order higher. But let's say I sell 3 contracts.
Order filled.
And then here, instead of having 4, I have 1. Look at this. Oh, it still won't let me. Yeah, since I guess it's coming from the inverse direction of where the actual price is, won't let me take this order over here. So you would basically have to set another order like that. If you want to set them at the same spot, you can just, stack them like that. Or you could just delete both and add a 2 contract order right there. I think the 50K account has the better risk to reward. If you compare, sorry. If you compare the max loss and max profit required for a $50,000 account, I think it's if you compare the 50,000 to the 25,000, I think it's better on the 50K. Yeah, no problem, guys. But yeah, this is basically how you move the orders. Whenever price comes near a key support or resistance, let's say, this was my key resistance and my order was right here, my take profit was right there. I keep getting tighter and tighter with my position on both sides because I don't know if it's just gonna pop out of nowhere and stop me out. So I like doing this, basically bracketing my position in case, something crazy happens. It'll keep me from giving away too many profits and or not give me hopes that, oh, you know what, it's gonna reach this level here. If I see price slowing down, I'm gonna be bringing my take profit a little bit lower. In case it pops and hits my take profit, awesome. But it's very important to follow up with this one as well. You don't want to be giving away too many profits. Any other questions? Yeah, no problem, guys. What else? What else? Oh yeah. Let's see, stop type. I really don't use this one much since I just manually move my stop, but you can select the stop type right here, like a trailing stop. So let's say we have, how many contracts do we have? 1 contract. So you can set like a trailing stop right here. I mean, the price is moving very slow, so it might not move. I think it's supposed to be trailing stop limit. Limit distance from stop. What is this? Ticks? Delta price value. Oh, let's do a 350 save. I think this is for the bracket orders.
Order filled.
I don't use this much, so
Order filled.
no, it's not for the bracket order. Trail stop limit. But you can see, you know, how you can set up all this stuff here. Really, really helpful stuff. Auto break even plus auto trail. Profit trigger. Let's do 10. Stop loss. Let's do 6. Type, take profit. Stop loss type, auto break even, auto trail. Save. Take profit must be greater than profit trigger. Oh. Let's do 12. There we go. Let's cancel this
Order filled.
by stop. The break-even function is available due to volatility of this product and to ensure similar trading execution system. Okay, so I guess we can't do that due to restrictions. Let's do auto trail. Let's see if this one works. Okay, yeah, we have auto trail on here now.
Stop filled.
Holy shit, what the hell was that? What was that? I have no clue what that was. Yeah, let's just not use that. I don't even know what that was. What the hell? I mean, the order is still here. This one and this one. I don't know. Was it NQ? No. I have no clue what it was. It was so strange. And this is why I don't like messing with all that stuff. I just rather have, you know, my orders here and move them around by myself. I don't understand what that was. It was so strange.
Order filled. Order filled.
See, it basically, I don't know what happened. Let's see. I don't know. Because I did the same thing right now that I did earlier and nothing happened. That's so strange. Might have been a glitch or something. Who knows? There was. Oh. Oh yeah, I guess I got stopped out on it. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, here it is. No, no NQ has no orders. This is ES. That was so strange.
Order filled.
Just make sure you're careful with this here, these settings. Make sure you practice with them a little bit first.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's see. I want to see.
Order filled.
I want to see is the trail stop is going to work or not. This should be working now. Problem with price right now is that it's moving so slow. It's just very time consuming. Yeah, this is Tradovate. Okay, yeah, we can see how the trail stop is. Did the trail stop move? I wasn't looking. No, it doesn't look like it's moving. I don't know why this is not working like on the app. And this is why I don't like using these. The top stop type is trail stop. But it's not moving with price. Huh. That's weird. Look, like the stop should have moved one tick lower on this candle here. Well, actually, maybe not. But it should have moved lower. But I didn't see if it moved. Just price is very slow during these times, so it's a pain in the ass to be watching this. Any other questions before we wrap it up? I need to get ready to head out to the gym. Eat some yogurt or something, some berries, and then head out. Uh, I would just stick to New York session. Uh, Market open is very, very volatile. Um, you should be very careful trading the market open. You know, anytime is a good time as long as you know when to basically close positions and open positions. Anytime's a good time, but you need to be very, very precise with the opening prints. I'm gonna start recording this. Can you run through the join bid, join ask? I think I'm yeah. I mean, there's really nothing special
Order
about that
filled.
one. Join ask is basically going short and waiting for the order to get filled basically one tick above current price. And join bid is going long, but waiting price to go one tick lower than current price. I mean, that would only matter if you were trading like 1,000 contracts. Other than that, I mean,
Order filled.
I really wouldn't care much about the join bid, join ask, because we're trading 1, 2 contracts. If you were trading 1,000 contracts and the spread mattered, then yeah, you would definitely need to use those. Let me stop recording this so it wouldn't make it necessarily long.